Summit Bracket Series Texas Motorplex. Built in 885. Come on, baby. $884. Man, I broke out and I pedaled. Yeah, pedal. $884 on a pedal. It's all right. It's hot. I'm telling you. Thank you. Mama's toy went in at $48.05 today. $4,800. All right, see where we had it. Okay, I went a 108 on reaction, 2039. There's where it was. 576 with a 9 at the 330. 884 with a 1. Man, I just didn't pedal enough. It's all right. Quarterfinals appearance for Team SGR. Team Engine Nice, Lucas Oil, Slick Products, Wix Racing. Appreciate y'all very much. We're going to be doing this again next week with the Lone Star Summer Shootout. At least we know Mama's Toy is consistent within 200ths of a second. We're going to go up against some of the biggest boys you ever seen in the state of Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma. Might see some guys from Mississippi coming in for this. All right.